Today we got a video from Felon X, and the title of the video is Toxic Girlfriend Loses It After Catching Boyfriend Cheating. Ooh, she gonna get them together.
That he another bitch and I got mad.
And what'd you do when you got mad?
Threw all the shit at him.
Okay.
On May 30th, officers were called to a domestic dispute between a boyfriend and girlfriend after an argument broke out when the woman received a call from the man's alleged former partner.
What's up?
Hey, did you call 911?
No, I didn't mean to, but
Is there anybody else here now?
yeah, it's my ex-girlfriend, but she's about to leave.
What's her name?
My name's Tom Partner, her name's Layla.
Hey, Layla.
She's good.
Layla?
Yeah.
I know, I gotta talk to her though. You guys called 911, then she called
I really
911.
did not mean to.
Huh?
So I did not mean to.
I know, I understand.
My room's messed up.
I know. Can you put on a towel? I just need to talk to you.
I have a dress on.
Okay, when you're ready. I just need you to come out. Okay.
He like to fuck other bitches. I'm leaving.
Tell her the truth, bro. Tell her
That is the truth. That
Can you
is
just come in
exactly
here?
what the truth is.
Okay.
I called me for 5 months and the girl texted her.
So you guys boyfriend, girlfriend type thing?
Where?
Just hang out, just hang out. Just let me talk to him. Somebody else will come talk to you.
Okay.
That's the female that called.
Okay.
This is the man.
You want to come talk over here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Fuck him.
Okay.
He like to fuck other bitches, so
Okay.
that's what he wanna do. So I'm gonna go home back to North Carolina and leave. He finna fuck other bitches, so I don't care.
Okay.
And that's what it is. I mean, you cool. We don't need no police for real, because I'm finna go.
Well,
but if you want
both
to
of you
stay,
called 911, so
I didn't have my phone. I ain't call shit. But, I mean, it's cool you here. It's not no problem with me.
okay. What's he
Fuck
gonna
him.
tell us that happened though?
That he fucked another bitch and I got mad.
And what'd you do when you got mad?
Threw all the shit at him.
Okay.
Because, like, why would you do that?
It happens, unfortunately. I'm not saying it's right, but sometimes it does happen to people, and it hurts.
And it's
Most
like,
of
I
us
could have fucked so many hot dudes. Like, these niggas got money, and I could have fucked them. And I didn't, because I'm a good person. I'm loyal. I'm a good person. I don't care. That don't mean shit.
Oh, they in Florida. They in Florida. They gotta be in Florida. Soon as she said they hot and they got money. Once she said that they got money part, that's Florida. Like, everybody go to Florida and act like they big baller or whatever, driving around all the rentals and all that. Go to Miami. I'm telling you, watch. You gonna go to Miami, everybody gonna be, yeah. It's yeah.
That is.
She's a pretty girl,
I understand
too.
You're going through. There's a little kid in there. Okay. So let's try to use better
sorry.
language. Let me,
These people understand.
Stuart.
I'm fine. Fuck him.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get his side of the story as well.
I'm sorry.
All right. Did at any point did you guys make physical contact with each other?
No.
He never hit him. He never hit you. Nothing like that. No. Okay.
What's he doing?
Huh?
What's he doing?
Getting this shit together.
Just talking to somebody?
He's talking to her now.
Literally, why do men do that?
Why is what?
Why do men do that?
Do what?
Cheat and they act like a little bitch.
How long you guys been going out? Together?
Here.
No,
Together.
yeah, together.
Literally, like, since 2023.
Okay.
I mean, but we broke up. But it's like, still, why would you fuck another bitch?
See, but no, we don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that. Listen, relationship shy about to come out, man. We don't want to hear that, man. You broke up. That's it. You still in your feelings, yeah, but listen, guys got needs, women got needs, right? You know, it's not only guys that cheat. A lot of women cheat too, and they're better at hiding it. Yeah, honestly, you know, and it hurts a lot more when a woman cheats, just because, you know, for the most part, women gotta actually be liking the dude to want to lay down with him. Typically, in this modern era, it's a little different, you know, that whatever, but it's just a free fall for both sides, men and women. It's just a free for all. But yeah, but no, it ain't cheating if y'all broke up. Y'all split. Y'all may still be in contact or whatever the case may be, but you guys are technically split. You know what I mean? The guy can't get mad if you gonna bust it open for a guy that got money, and the same vice versa. You can't get mad if he gonna crack another chick. Y'all technically a split. Come on, man.
So did that happen in January?
Yes, and she's ugly. Like, look at me.
Okay, I understand.
I'm not ugly. That bitch was ugly.
Do you want to go in the office? Would that be easier for you so these people aren't here? Because I know this is a little embarrassing. Okay, come on.
Hold on. I'm pausing it one more time and then I'm gonna let it rock. The fact that in a lot of times ladies get confused by this when they see somebody who is less attractive than them, a guy being able to, or a girl being able to get their man, and the girl is actually less attractive, and women, girls will be surprised at that. And the thing is that it's difficult to really keep up with a baddie. All right, it's difficult, man. Dealing with a baddie, it comes with its pros and cons, man. I'm telling you, I'm letting you know. Okay, it's, you know, they could be more of a it's more the upkeep. It's the attitude sometimes and stuff like that is different. So a lot of times guys will be able to take, she may be a 6, she may be a 5, 6, 7 in looks, but her personality and demeanor is what gets her up there to that 8, 9, and 10. You know, she may be lesser in looks, but cool and chill as hell. Where you got somebody with above average looks, or, you know, somebody that know they got it. You know, this girl is pretty. I'm not gonna lie, this girl is pretty. And she could get a bunch of guys, but she might be, and I don't know for a fact, but she might be a lot to deal with. And at the end of the day, guys just want something, you know, that's cool. You know what I mean? Chill, lay back, don't be a headache type thing, you know? So that's why she's surprised. She's like, she's ugly, like yada yada. Yeah, she might be a 5. She might be a 5 in the looks department. But she cool, chill, doing everything else that he need her to do or whatever. And that's how a 5 could get your man, even though you a 8. You know, you might be an 8, but your attitude is what brings you down. You know, she is aggressive. She's that you could tell.
Bitch is ugly. That was a pretty bitch. Her ass was fat. That's one thing. But the bitch ain't got no ass. Face ugly.
I'm gonna take her in the office.
Like, what was you doing? Like, what was the point? You didn't get nothing from that.
Okay.
Like, you already had me, my ass fat, face pretty. So why would you even be in the same room as
Did you
that
just
bitch?
you just found out about it today?
Yes,
Okay.
son. He tried to lie about it. Like, why is he lying?
How'd you find out about it?
My friend told me. So my friend is friends with the other bitch's friends, and she told me. So it's like, why would you fuck that ugly bitch? Why would you?
All right,
fuck
we're
that
not
ugly
doing
bitch?
this.
I was really talking to him
Okay,
about
don't
it.
look at him. Go back inside.
If you look at me, I'm gonna look at
Someone
him.
that's helping you out, then go back inside.
Sorry, you said
I
clear.
want to know, like, why would you fuck that man? Does she get it? Does the lady get it? Does she understand what I'm talking about?
Just hang on, I'm on the radio. I'm sorry. But yeah, she does. I know, but because we have to figure out what's going on and make sure that nobody's going to kill each other. That's it. So hang on.
I don't have no mean intentions.
Okay, I know.
I'm not that type of person.
I know.
I'm really a nice person, I swear.
I know, but we're getting 911 calls. You have to understand our thing. I understand you're upset.
I get it. I'm sorry
Okay.
you have to do this, but it's like, why would you do that? I'm a nice person. I give you money, I give you love
But y'all split though. Y'all split up.
Literally, like when she talked.
Oh, you guys, do you know her at all? Like, is she a friend of you? I'm saying, like, do you guys hang out, or is it just you know of her?
She's from the same area as us, and it seemed like I've seen her before, but I didn't know that he was like fucking her, and he said that he only did it one time.
Right.
I don't care. He said he didn't even fuck her, but it's like if you're in the same room as her, if you had that intention, I don't want shit to do with you.
But this happened. Were you guys going together in January when this happened?
I mean, no, but it's like
So you guys were broken up?
we were, but the thing is, why I'm so pissed is he was trying to get me back. Like he was like begging me to be with him,
Right.
and then we have made this trip, and she gonna talk about he invited her to this trip.
Right.
So it's like that's so disrespectful.
Okay.
So it's,
Super on co-op.
She getting locked up.
and I'm sorry to waste y'all's time. Okay.
I know how things work in North Carolina, but you can't hit people, okay? Even when you're mad. All right?
Am I going to jail?
Yes.
Aww.
You can't scratch him up like that. I understand what he did was kind of shitty and whatever, but you can't be
And
scratching
then
him
he
up.
gonna put me in jail?
No, it has nothing to do with
It has
him.
nothing. He's trying to
He
get
doesn't want you to
out
go
of
to
it.
jail.
But it's
I
not
told
up to
him I
him.
was going
It's not up to him though. It's up to the state, unfortunately. Because if we leave and all of a sudden happens, it's on us.
I know you're all saying it's not up to him, but I told him I was gonna go home, and he still tried to
Okay.
leave. So.
All right, you got nothing on you?
I'll get
No, I
hers. I'll get
don't.
hers
It's
stuff.
literally nothing. But
Actually, let me
when y'all
walk out.
X-ray
Yeah.
me in
Then
the
let me
jail, am I gonna have to take my nipple piercings out?
That's up to the jail.
That's up to them,
Can
yeah.
I have shoes?
Yeah, we'll get your shoes.
Am I
I'll get you your phone and your bag and stuff.
Yeah.
Clearwater. Oh, they in Florida. See, I knew they was in Florida. Once she said money,
I know, that's why we're gonna move fast.
Florida.
Step on the white till he's.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful to you anyway.
All right, come on, as fast as you can.
Oh yeah. Alright. And y'all see me uncomfortable.
They're not made to be comfortable.
Which car is she in?
Huh?
Where's she in?
Just go. I'm not dealing with this. She's done. She's going to jail.
She gotta talk to her mom. She has to talk to her
No,
mom.
she doesn't.
No, just wait. She gotta talk.
No, just go. No, I'm not. We're not dealing with this. This is it. If you have questions, you can come ask me.
No, I gotta talk to her. We're in the state. Please tell her to stop. We're in the state of Florida.
For what do you need? That's what I'm saying. I can answer your question.
Call her mom. She has to call her mother.
Okay, she can call her down there.
Man, come on, bro.
I'm
Y'all gotta
not having another
protect
argument
and
here.
serve, bro. I'm asking you. I'm not arguing with you, bro. I'm trying to ask you to make sure somebody's gonna be straight. We 12 hours away from home, man.
Okay, what is it that you need? What questions does she have?
Ask her. I have to ask her certain stuff. What do I have to do to let her know? You know what I'm saying? It's a Friday, fam. It's a Friday, bro. It's Friday.
What questions do you have?
Nothing for you.
Okay,
Nothing for you, bro.
I understand that.
So what's the problem with me talking to her? I'm confused on what's the problem.
Because I'm not having another argument. You guys can't talk to each other. You can't settle down.
Why can't
That's
we
the
just-
report
Bro, I
number.
don't
That's where
need
she's
that
going.
shit, man.
Okay. I'm trying to give you where she's going and stuff like that.
Okay, but what can I do right now?
Nothing. You have to wait for her to get processed.
Okay, then. So how long is this bond?
Let's just get out of the street.
How long is this bond gonna take? Y'all sit here talking about arguing. Nobody's trying to argue. I'm trying to communicate with y'all, but y'all acting like y'all just damn. Y'all use a police officer, fam. You not soft. Use a man just like me. You can
Okay,
speak
what
back.
questions do you have? That's what I'm asking you. What can I answer for you? You cannot talk to her. No, you cannot talk to her. She's a prisoner now.
She's
No,
not
you
a
cannot
prisoner.
talk to her.
She's not a prisoner.
Okay, she's in
inmate.
custody.
She's
Fine.
inmate. She's inmate. All right. Okay. How do we go about this? I need her out by Friday. I need her out of there. She got to be out of jail.
Okay, you have to contact the jail. That's why I put down there 49th Street Jail.
The woman was taken into custody and charged with domestic battery. If you want to see more videos like this, click the
It's a good video, man. Good video, man. Yeah. Relationships. She mad. You know, she mad you did your thing, man. When y'all was broken up. Whether you trying to get her back, whatever the case, you still broken up. Y'all not together. Whatever, man. This is crazy. Cops get a 5. The right person went to jail. She was supposed to go to jail. You know, it is what it is. Then you talking about, oh, I didn't mean to call the police. You ain't mean to call the police. What do you mean you didn't mean to call the police? You just dialed them twice by accident because one came from your phone and the other one came from her phone. So y'all dialed the police twice by accident? Come on, man. We ain't falling for that, man. We ain't falling for that. No. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.